Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M3, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. Now I'm going to capture a couple of photos of basically nothingness just so I have some content to transfer. Okay, good enough. So to begin, you want to open up the file manager right over here. Let's agree and continue and allow. And from here, once it actually opens, you want to go to the folder category right over here. And this will allow you to basically access each folder individually instead of the categories, which are kind of limited. So as a quick overview, you can see there is a plethora of different folders, but there is only like 3 that are important. So the DCIM is probably the most important one. It will contain photos, videos, but also screenshots and screen recordings apparently that you have captured with this device. So basically the most important folder here in terms of like content captured with the device. Then you also have the downloads folder, which usually contains anything that I have downloaded using the device. So through Google Chrome or any kind of other means, whenever you save something on your device, it will be right over here. And then there's also the, like I said, pictures folder, but because the phone actually saves into the DCIM folder, screenshots, this will be most likely empty. And so are the rest of the folders here probably going to be empty as well. Maybe not all of them, but majority of them, assuming you haven't actually placed anything there yourself or you haven't downloaded an app that will specifically save into this location. So right now, simply find the files that you wish to move, copy, whatever it is, which I'm going to use the photos that I have captured at the beginning. So right over here. And once you find them, you can see that they have this circle on the side. Folders do not. So if I go back, you can see folders do not. But they basically follow almost the same logic that you can select it. So with files themselves, you can simply tap on that circle to select it. So you just need to simply tap on it. But if you're going with a folder, so as you can see, you don't have that circle, so when you tap on it, it just enters it. And to select the folder, you basically hold it. And once you hold it, it basically then becomes the same as the file, giving you also these circles on the side that allow you to select additional folders. And the reason why you might want to select a folder is if you have, for instance, I don't know, 1,000 photos in here, you could either just kind of go and select several of them or tap on the check mark to select all of them. Or you can keep it clean and just select the entire folder and all of its content. That's kind of why I'm mentioning it. Now, whichever way you go about it, it's completely up to you. There's not much more to it besides how organized you want to keep stuff. But once you select it, you will have 2 options. So we have move, which is visible right over here. And then if you tap on more, we have also copy. Now, if you go with move, whatever is selected will be completely removed from where it is right now and moved to your location of choice. While if you go with the copy option, it will create duplicates. So the files that are selected right now will stay where they are, and the new ones will be created in your desired location. Now, for this purpose, I'm going to go with move. There we go. And once you select one of those 2 options, it will show you the select folder option. So here you can select where you want to move it. Now, right now we are on the internal storage, so this one right here, and you can move it somewhere else in that internal storage, which is the storage of the device itself, or you can move it to the SD card if you want to, which I'm going to choose the SD card. Now, SD card has basically the same folder structure right here, minus a couple folders. That's why it looks basically identical. So in here, you can drop it wherever you want. If you want to drop it right on the main directory of the SD card, then just press paste. If you want to keep it a little bit more organized, you could go to the DCIM folder and drop it in here, which I believe would overwrite the camera folder that is right over here, but you can test it. So let's paste it. Camera already exists. Yeah, so like I said, it will overwrite. So tap on OK. Boom, it overrides it. Now if you go back into it, you can see that there are all the files that were in that folder. And that is basically how you would copy any kind of file or move it And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.